Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back, and this is part number 2 in Subway Surf, and do this.
You
You guys watched the first one, which
If you watch the first one, you would see that he sucks.
seriously. Okay, so I've been practicing for a while.
A while, 13 minutes.
Yeah, and still haven't been good.
You're still horrible. As a sheep, learning how to fly.
And you remember my last one? Dang it.
Just die already.
My last one, me and my brother were just talking. My last one. Oh my god, I got a hat. Got Turkey's hat.
That was loud, right?
Wait, what? I hate heads. Why? Whoever invented ads?
Ad.
Yeah, who invented ads?
Without ads, you won't get money.
So?
Don't you want the money?
Yeah.
I'm in first place.
Well, this is taking a while.
Yes. Don't I want?
Just for one ad, this takes forever. What the heck? Sorry if I was screaming.
Don't kill me. I'll beat the Rita.
It's around like.
That was loud, right?
Yeah, it was loud.
Try to be too loud. Sorry. Sorry. That was only 1v1.
Get this ad out of here.
Oh no, I got you.
I can't get it. Okay, Damon, stop screaming. I dropped it. Dropped the phone. Bet. That's easy.
Okay, so my plan is.
Okay, we're back in. Let's play again. That took like way too long.
I'm in first place. Woo. I'm literally.
If you guys play this game, then can you guys tell me what was your highest score? Mine was like 2,000 something.
2 million.
2,000.
Most 2 million.
Jetpacks! Awesome.
Oh no, I missed a little bit. One.
I'm like, give me the coins. Here we go. I failed.
I am the king of the universe. I own pictures.
I played this in the Halloween version, and the version was so bad.
That's
Like the cop was Frankenstein.
Oh, yeah, that was horrible.
That was so horrible.
It was like 1 star at the time. It was sure. I was kidding. It wasn't even 1 star. It was like 5 stars.
Oh, dang. Well, I said in my last one I'll be playing the Tuber Simulator game, or I don't know what's called, or Vector. I find
Vector. Vector from.
Well, I came up with my decision.
You weren't gonna do it.
I was gonna do Vector first, then this. I think it was like YouTuber Simulator or something. I don't know.
Yeah, YouTube Simulator.
Like the point is, you're supposed to get so many views.
But that was a waste of time.
Yes. Me and my brother would just stay up all night, seeing who was the better, and it totally went out.
It sucked.
Oh, my new high score. Yeah, 283.
2 HW.
No, 2,830.
2 HW. 2 HW.
Yeah, let's see how long this video is gonna be.
If it's too long, you have to go. Sleep yourself up. Oh, yes.
He just said flip. He didn't say the F word.
Flip.
Like flip your dime.
Flip the desk. Kids freedom.
If you flip a desk in school, then you'll probably get detention or
no, you'll get suspended.
I remember watching this SML video.
That's not kid friendly.
I know, it was hilarious. Like I think his name was Jeffy, and he was like, he flipped his desk, and he's like, I am not doing that 10-page homework. You can just eat my butt. And he just flipped his whole desk when the teacher was like. When the teacher was saying to do the homework, and it was hilarious.
Why you are not supposed to flip your desk?
And the funniest part is like, are you effing high.
What's effing mean?
The F word.
What's the F word?
It's a bad word.
What is a bad word?
You can't say it.
What do you cannot say?
Bad words.
But bad words are for freedom.
Yeah, you can only say it when you're like 13 and up. Oh, Jesus.
Dark
That was so
word.
close. I died. Another high score. Woo,
Your high score is the worst.
how much high scores do I have? No, I only got 2. That's it. Well, most of them. This is
I am the champion!
No, you're not.
Oh, really? I could 3-6. I could beat you with any of my weapons. One bullet from my weapons, you did.
I got hit in the face.
I see this guy trying to ambush me.
Ambush.
Me!
No. Okay.
Sure.
Close.
Tell him to come.
Where my cousins are here, so she can hear a lot of noise. Sorry, my audio is not that loud, so you guys cannot probably hear me. Because if I put it loud, then your ears are gonna start bleeding.
Hello, people.
Woohoo! See how far I can get.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, my jetpack. No, that jetpack was useful. Okay, jump rope. What the heck happened? What the heck was that? Like I just jumped and then I hit the train from my feet and died. Well, that's kind of you can die. Woohoo! Oh yes, I'm on the roof.
Oh, this guy. Oh, no.
I want to stay in the roof.
Flip phone.
I don't have a flip phone. I used to have one though. Flip phones are like disgusting. Like if you buy a flip phone, you should never buy a flip phone.
If you buy a flip phone, you should never buy a flip phone.
Cause they're so horrible, and you can't play like games like these.
Yes, you can. You need to buy them.
Yeah, which kind of sucks.
Because like these phones, everything is free.
Yeah, everything, but some of them are not free.
Oh, flip the cash.
And if you guys want me to do like any like scary games, link in the description what scary game you guys want me to do. Except Friday the 13th, which I can't do because I need a PC for that.
Yes.
I got ran.
Please, mother trucker.
What? Illuminati confirm. Because there was a train that hit me, and then it went through. The cop was still, and me were still alive.
Oh my God!
Illuminati confirmed.
I'm in the Golden League. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about,
If you guys watch like Jake Paul, Logan Paul, link in the description down below.
no.
Why?
Jake the Paul is the. You know what I'm gonna say, right?
What?
I got a new animal! It's a zombie cat!
Disgrace yourself, Damien.
No, it's a zombie cat!
That was so close.
Ow.
Ow.
Why did you got a zombie for a cat?
And what's in the mystery box? A skateboard, which I hate. Just, yeah. Well, pretty much my high score was 4,000 something, which I'm trying to beat. And if I do beat it, I will seriously do a dare from you guys. Well, I can't do a dare right now because then my parents would probably kill me. Which I died right now. He took me. I'm going to prison. And people say a point of this game is parkour, but this is not parkour. If you guys want to see parkour,
Play Vector.
yeah. And by the way, I have Instagram and my person. Wait.
Why ads?
Yeah, ads are stupid. And this.
I'm learning in a battlefield. It's a freaking ad.
And so if you guys want to follow me, go to Santiago Hermosillo 20. Because if you go there,
21 or 20?
just 20. If you go there, follow me. Like, just legit follow me.
What does legit mean?
Legit means you should follow me. That's what it means. Yeah. Awesome.
Blow my head up if I.
And this is the people who I have your boy Logan Paul. Jake.
Why Logan?
No.
Why Logan Paul?
I got Logan Paul, Jake Paul, Mostar, Tessa Brooks, Marcus.
Who's Tessa?
Tessa Brooks, she's in Logan Paul. She left the Team 10 crew.
Why?
Because I had no idea. And, this is cute. It's a photo. And I'm just going to do this for no reason. And I also have The Rock. Forgot.
Who is The Rock?
He's like a actor, a famous actor.
Is he a rock?
No, he's not a rock.
Because he's rock. He's the rockiest of the rockiest.
Well, hope you follow me, guys, and see you on the next.
Does he
No, I hope you see you guys in the next.